We are gonna do English speaking practice in this video. So guys, if you are wanna speak English fast and quickly, then watch this video till the end because this video is very useful for English speaking practice and English speak learners. Okay guys, so let's start it. First, I have first sentences so you can speak with me. Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? Second, next is what time is the meeting tomorrow? What time is the meeting tomorrow? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your homework? So you speak quickly and similarly, okay? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? Have you ever seen the new movie? Have you ever have you seen the new movie? Where did you go on vacation? Where did you go on vacation? How was your day? How was your day? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I can't believe it's already Friday. I can't believe it's already Friday. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown? Did you hear about the new restaurant downtown? I'm looking forward to the weekend. I'm looking forward to the weekend. Can you help me with this math problem? Can you help me with this math problem? What what do you wanna do tonight? What do you wanna do tonight? Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Have you ever been to Europe? Do you wanna grab lunch together? Do you wanna grab lunch together? How's the weather looking for tomorrow? How's the weather looking for tomorrow? Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Can I borrow your pen for a minute? Do you see the game last night? Did you see the game last night? Next is, what's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? I'm so excited for my birthday next week. I'm so excited for my birthday next week. Have you met my sister before? Have you met my sister before? Where did you buy those shoes? Where did you buy those shoes? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? Can you believe it's almost Christmas? Can you believe it's almost system? How's your mom doing? How's your mom doing? Do you have any plan for the holidays? Do you have any plans for the holidays? Are you going to the party on Saturday? Are you going to the party on Saturday? What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? I need to buy sunglasses later. I need to buy sunglasses later. Did you hear that noise outside? Did you hear that noise outside? How's your New Year going? How's your New York going? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a new restaurant? What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre? Did you see that car accident on the news? Did you see that car accident on the news? Have you ever tried sushi before? Have you ever tried sushi before? I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. I'm thinking of redecorating my living room. Do you wanna go for a walk? Do you wanna go for a walk? What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season? I'm feeling really stressed out lately. I'm feeling really stressed out lately. Have you ever been skydiving? Have you ever been skydiving? Can you believe it's already March? Can you believe it's already March? How's your dog doing? How's your dog doing? Did you hear about the new exhibit at the museum? Did you hear about the new exhibit at the museum? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? I'm craving pizza for dinner tonight. I'm craving pizza for dinner tonight. Have you ever been to a concert? Have you ever been to a concert? What's your favorite holiday? What's your favorite holiday? I'm thinking of getting a new haircut. I'm thinking of getting a new haircut. Did you see that viral video on social media? Did you see that viral video on social media? How's your garden looking for this year? How's your garden looking this year? Can you believe how fast time is flying by? Can you believe how fast time is flying by? What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? I'm so happy it's finally one outside. I'm so happy it's finally one outside. Have you ever been to Asia? Have you ever been to Asia? Did you watch the award show last night? Did you watch the award show last night? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? I'm really looking forward to the summer. I'm really looking forward to the summer. Do you wanna go for swimming this weekend? Do you wanna for swimming this year? Have you ever tried bungee jumping? Have you ever tried bungee jumping? Can you believe how much traffic there is? Can you believe how much traffic there is? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? I'm so tired of all this rain. I'm so tired of all this rain. I'm so tired of all this rain. Did you hear about the new technology? Did you hear about the new technology? How's your new apartment? How's your new apartment? Can you recommend a good movie to watch? Can you recommend a good movie to watch? What's your favorite type of sightseeing? What's your favorite type of sightseeing? I'm so glad it's finally Friday. I'm so glad it's finally Friday. Did you see the news about the economy? Did you see the news about the economy? What's your favorite sport to watch? What's your favorite sport to watch? I'm thinking of going on a road trip. I'm thinking of going on a road trip. Can you believe it's already May? Can you believe it's already May? How's your workout routine going? How's your workout going? Did you hear about the celebrity scandal? Did you hear about the celebrity scandal? What's your favorite place to travel to? What's your favorite place to travel to? I'm craving some chocolate right now. I'm craving some chocolate right now. Have you ever been to a music festival? Have you ever been to a music festival? Can you recommend a good book to read? Can you recommend a good book to read? What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? I'm so excited for the holidays. I'm so excited for the holidays. Did you see the latest episode of that TV show? Did you see the latest episode of the TV show? How's your new diet going? How's your new diet going? Can you believe it's almost summer? Can you believe it's almost summer? What's your favorite thing to do on the weekend? What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? I'm so tired of all this snow. I'm so tired of all this snow. Have you ever been to Asia? Have you ever been to Asia, Africa? What's your favorite type of sushi? What's your favorite type of sightseeing? I'm thinking of adopting a pet. I'm thinking of adopting a pet. Can you recommend a good workout routine? Can you recommend a good workout routine? What's your favorite type of coffee? What's your favorite type of coffee? I'm so happy it's finally spring. I'm so happy it's finally spring. Have you ever been to a Broadway show? Have you ever been to a Broadway show? What's your favorite type of art? What's your favorite type of art? I'm carving some sushi right now. I'm carving some sushi right now. Did you hear about a new restaurant downtown? Did you hear about a new restaurant downtown? How's your New York going? How's your New York going? Can you recommend a good vacation spot? Can you recommend a good vacation spot? What's your favorite type of wine? What's your favorite type of wine? I'm so excited for my birthday next week. I'm so excited for my birthday next week. Have you ever tried rock climbing? Have you ever tried rock climbing? What's your favorite type of sunshine? What's your favorite type of sunshine? I'm thinking of learning a new language. I'm thinking of learning a new language. Can you recommend a good TV show to watch? Can you recommend a good TV show to watch? What's your favorite type of music? What's your favorite type of music? I'm craving some Mexican good food right now. I'm craving some Mexican food right now. Have you ever been to a comedy show? Have you ever been to a comedy show? What's your favorite type of dessert? What's your favorite type of dessert? I'm so happy it's finally Friday. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's finally Friday. Did you hear about a new movie coming out? Did you hear about a new movie coming out? How's your new apartment? How's your new apartment? Can you recommend a good book to read? Can you recommend a good book to read? What's your favorite type of sport? What's your favorite type of sport? I'm thinking of going on a cruise. I'm thinking of going on a cruise. Have you ever tried scuba diving? Have you ever tried scuba diving? What's your favorite type of cuisine? What's your favorite type of cuisine? I'm craving some Italian food right now. I'm craving some Italian food right now. Did you see the latest episode of that TV show? Did you see the latest episode of that TV show? How's your new show going? How's your new course going? So guys, we have done practice of English speaking. So we have completed. So guys, if you like the information, then like share the video, and this is valuable video for you. So I hope you understand all about sentence and you have done practice of English speaking. And if you are new on this channel, then subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.